AI assistant that answering all those customers' queries 24/7. Qualifying lead and send you an email notification when someone is interested to talk. And what if you could build this AI agent in just few minutes and without any coding knowledge? So my friend, in this video I am going to show you how you can build a AI agent using Copilot Studio. So before I open Copilot Studio and start creating this agent, let me show resources, files I am using for this agent. And I have two files. The very first one is Growth Spark Agency Knowledge Base. In this file, you can see Growth Agency, Spark Agency related all those information that is required to answer a customer query. My friend, whenever you are creating a knowledge base for your business, you need to capture all those information which you think that related to your customer query. So you can see here we have company overview, core services, pricing guidance, typical timeline, onboarding process, lead qualification question, booking and next step, and many more. And the good part is I'm going to give this file as a download resource. That is what you can download from description. So similar kind of knowledge base you can create for your business. Then the second file is that is agent instruction, and this file is mainly like when I will create agent, which kind of name I'm going to use, like what will be the short description and what will be the instruction. That is what I have in this file. So you can see like in description we have a friendly business assistant that answers questions about growth, Spark agency services, pricing guidance, onboarding timeline, next steps using the uploaded demo knowledge base. And then we have instruction. So here in instruction you can see you are growth, Spark agencies, customer support and lead assistant. And then we have all those points. That is what agent will use to answer questions, like answer questions using the uploaded knowledge base, keep answers short, clear, friendly and professional. If user asks about services, explain the best fit service based on their need. So that is what like you can adjust instruction based on your business requirement. And then we have conversation style and then rule. So my friend, again this file you will also find in download resource, so you can adjust this according to your business requirement. So let's start building this agent. And the very first step is to open Copilot Studio, and for that you have two options. Option number one, you will go here on Google and search for Copilot Studio. So this is how you can open Copilot Studio. Another option is open browser and type copilotstudio.microsoft.com. It will take you on a Copilot Studio homepage, and here you can see might be based on your license, your environment, your country, you can have a different layout, but the workflow we are going to use, that will be almost same. So now I'm going to create an agent. I will add knowledge source, I will add instructions, and then I will add a email connector to send email, and then I will publish to a website. So we have two ways to create agent. First is you can see agent tab is selected, then we have this text box, that is where you can give a prompt, and this is agentic way to create agent, means AI will create agent for you. In this process you will not have enough control on agent creation process, but later on you can change all those information. The other way is we have agents here, and that is where you can see on top right side create blank agent. Click on this link and then you will give name here. Right now I am giving name Growth Spark Customer Support based on your business requirement. Might be you can type your business name, and AI agent might be your business name, board, or might be customer support, might be lead qualification support. So based on your business requirement you will select a name. Here you can see agent settings, and that is where you can select language, you can select a solution if you have solution. You can also set up a schema name, and these are quite technical. If you are not technical, don't change these information. Then I will click on create, and now you can see this agent is being created. So name is there, rest of the information coming, that is what we can change. Now this agent is ready in edit mode. So the first thing we are going to change here, that is we need to describe what this agent should do. This is important. Do not say that create a chatbot. It is too vague. Instead we can tell Copilot Studio the role, goal, audience and business use case. So use this description. Let me copy and paste here in edit mode, that create an AI agent for sample digital marketing agency called Growth Spark Agency. The agent should answer customer questions about services, pricing guidance, onboarding, timelines, FAQs, and booking a consultation. The agent should be friendly, professional, concise, and helpful. If user seems interested in becoming a client, the agent should ask 2-3 qualifying questions and suggest booking a discovery call. This is what we will use as a description. This gives agent a clear job. It knows the company name, it knows business type, it knows what question to answer, and it knows what to do when someone becomes a potential lead. So the good description, my friend, that is role plus goal plus context plus next step. So let me say, and now we are ready for the most important part, that is knowledge base. And this is where many beginners make mistake. They create an agent, but they do not give it useful business information. They just wonder why the answers are too generic. So for our demo, we will upload the file I already created, that is Growth Spark Agency knowledge base. So let me browse and select that file from here. So this file I will upload, and this PDF acts like the company brain for the agent. It includes the company's services, FAQs, process, pricing guideline, policies and contact details. So instead of using a fake website link, we are using a file that can download and upload directly. So let me add to the agent. So now you can see it's uploading to this agent. Once the file is uploaded, Copilot Studio can use this document to answer questions. This makes the demo clean and repeatable. Everyone watching can use the same file. I will give this file as a download link in description. So now our agent is ready with knowledge source. You can see it is in progress. After some time, this will be ready as a knowledge source for this agent. So now let's improve the agent with clear instructions. Instructions are very important. That is what will decide that how this agent will work. So I already created a description, that is what I explained in start. So I will just copy that and paste in instructions. So I will open. So here you can see the core instruction. You are Growth Spark Agency, customer support and lead assistant. And now we'll tell everything in steps in goals. First is answer questions using uploaded knowledge base. So all those answers, agent will use knowledge source for that. Keep answers short, clear, friendly and professional. If users ask about services, explain the best fit service based on their need. If users ask about pricing, share only the demo pricing range from the knowledge base and explain the final pricing depends on scope. If users are interested in working with agency, ask 2-3 qualifying questions. What type of business do you run? What result are you trying to achieve? What is your timeline? So these are the qualifying questions. If you want to add or remove something, you can add in this section if you think that is important for your lead qualification. Then we have suggest booking a discovery call when user shows buying intent. So whenever user is showing buying intent, the agent can suggest a discovery call. Do not invent policies, guarantees, discount, client results, case studies, certification, or delivery timeline. So this is how, my friend, you can see we have around 16 points. I will also give this instruction as a demo link, so you can download and you can use for your own demo. So they tell the agent to answer using knowledge base, stay professionals, avoid fake promises, ask qualifying questions, and suggest the next step. So here is the key point. Knowledge base tells the agent what to know, instruction tell the agent how to behave, and you need both knowledge source and instruction. If you only upload knowledge source, the agent may answer without the right tone or business logic. So that's why it's important. And if you only add instruction but no knowledge base, then agent may answer too generic. So far, a strong business agent use both knowledge source and instruction. So knowledge source equal to what the agent knows, and instruction equal to how the agent behaves. So let me save. So everything here updated in this agent, and this agent is ready for testing. So now we can test, and testing is optional. But before you publish any AI agent, you need to test it like a real customer. So this is where you can see plus button, you will click and you will get a new session. We will use simple questions. So the very first question I'm going to ask, that is like, what services does Growth Spark agency offers? And this agent should answer using uploaded PDF. So let's see that what answer we are getting, and is it coming from PDF or not. And you can see, my friend, all those the answer is coming from that uploaded PDF, and you can also see in a source citation. Then I will ask a next simple question: how much do your services cost? So I'm asking about costing. So let's see that, and all those pricing list I'm getting from agent, that should be from the PDF. So you can see all those amounts, that is what we added in PDF coming in answer. And now it is asking about a discovery call. So I'm not going to give. Let's check that. If I will type that I'm interested in your business, let's see that what agent is asking to qualify that lead. So I am interested in your services. So let's see that agent is asking all those qualifying questions or not. So you can say it's asking, what type of business do you run? That is restaurant. And what goal do you want to achieve? So I will add more leads. Then it is asking about timeline. That's good, like 3 months. So now perfect. Here's a quick summary of what we know so far. Your business is restaurant, goal more leads, and timeline 3 months. Let me ask a very risky question and see that what we are getting in result. So I will ask that, can you guarantee I will double my revenue in 30 days? And now you can see this is a responsible agent. I appreciate enthusiasm, Sandeep. We wouldn't want that, but I want to be fully transparent with you. No guarantee on specific result. What we can do? Everything. That's a very honest question, my friend, because it is not something that agent can guarantee anything that is not possible. Even though if there is no human, my friend, it's very important that agents should not guarantee anything that is out of business scope. Let me ask what to do next. So let's see that what agent is offering. Say book a discovery call, share your details, they say proposal. And now if you would like me to send your details to Growth Spark team so they can follow up with you directly. I just need your consent. So I will give consent. That's good. Like, it's not just saving my email address to send email, it is taking my consent. That is what we can call a responsible AI. So now it's giving me all those information. Is there something else I can help you with, Sandeep? Then I can say no, and I am done. So you can see, my friend, like, this is a very friendly conversation with an agent and a customer. So this is how you can create. But you can see now this agent is ready for our website. And even though while testing, my friend, you can see, like, whenever we are asking question, all those are coming from, like, whenever, like, so the search source, searching, then topic, everything it's showing here in activity. So you can go in activity and you can see all those steps agent is taking during that conversation. So you can see, like, for every question what steps agent is taking, that is what you can see here. So in next step, we'll publish this agent and we'll try to do testing using a public website. And also, once your agent is ready for production, here is my recommendation. Do not publish it publicly immediately. First, test it internally. Ask your team to try it. Ask your friend, colleagues to ask difficult customer questions. Like, that is when you can have the real testing. So if the agent gives accurate answer, if it is avoid fake claim, if it gives correct next step, then improve the knowledge base based on the feedback and instruction if needed. After all those testing, if you think that this agent is 99% accurate, in that case only publish this agent in Microsoft Teams or on a website or any other channel. So my friend, what we can do is, before publishing this agent on your website, you will click on settings, and here you can see we have security. So in security, you can see, like, web channel security. So if you want to connect with any web channel, these are the key, that is what you need to use. Here what I will do is, in authentication, you can just click on no authentication. I will click and save. It will give you warning, because if you are using no authentication, might be anybody can chat with your agent, and that's why it's giving you. Now it's asking go to publishing, so I will click on publishing. So let me go back. I will just close this. We come to the agent and I will click on publish. I will just click, and also you can see we are getting warning because authentication is public. It's publishing. So now it is published. And my friend, then you can go here in channels. So we'll click, you can see channels here, and here you can see, like, you can use demo website, you can also use in a web app. Like, you want to use any third-party application, here is the HTML code, that is what you can copy and paste in your HTML code, and you will able to access this agent in your web page. Here is the connection string, that is what you can use if you want to use in a third-party application. The next, my friend, we can directly use demo website. So I will click on demo website and we can click on open demo website. Here is the pro tip for business owners. Create your own knowledge base, like I given in the example, but you can create your own knowledge base before creating an agent. That's important. Whenever you are creating an agent, create your knowledge source. Make sure that you included services, pricing guideline, FAQs, policies, contact details, booking process, all those things you added. So that is what you can do. So my friend, let's test from here. So I can again ask, which kind of services do you offer? So let's see that what answer, and answer is quite similar what we got there. Then we can ask about what is costing. So the next we are getting, that is what you can see here, like what type of business you run. I will write retro and try to achieve more leads. Timeline 3 months. 3 months. It is very similar to what we got. So here, like, it didn't know about my name and email address, so it is asking Sandeep and my email address. I will give my personal email address, and also it is asking for consent, so I didn't give that, so it's also again asking for consent. I'm giving consent, and now it will send email. So that's the good thing, my friend. This is how you can make it working. So good, like everything, that is what is sent, and it will send email on my personal email address. When a visitor visits your website and they are quite excited to know about your business, about your services, what you charge, how you can help them, nobody is there to answer all those questions, and that is where AI agents are helpful. AI agents are able to create engaging conversation based on your business information, and trust me, engaging conversation equal to conversion. So now, instead of saying contact us, your website can actually start conversation. So let's recap what we created today. We created a simple agent, and that is for Growth Spark agency, named it Growth Spark Customer Assistant. We added description about agent. We also added instruction what agent should do when someone is asking questions related to business, related to pricing, related to consultation. What it should do if someone is interested, what it shouldn't do when someone is asking some risky questions. And that is what we did in just 10 minutes, my friend. Also, we published on a public website. So my friend, if you are looking for an agent for your business, don't think a lot. Just start with a simple agent to answering FAQs about your services, about your pricing, about consultation, and publish on your website. If you want help, I am going to give all these resources in description. You can download from here and use for your agent creation. And also, my friend, if you want to create any other agent, please comment in comment box. I will come up with that video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. This is Sandeep Misra signing out.